Hello everyone, we are back with another good question. Pause the video now and comment your answer before I show the solution. Let's take a quick look at our question. -5 and +5 cancel out. 5 divided 5 equals 1. If you solved it this way, you made a mistake because we didn't pay attention to order of operation. We got the order operation as PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, S stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There is no order. Multiplication and division operation are performed from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction operation are performed from left to right. Okay, let's apply this rule to our equation. This fraction bar represents division. The upper part of the fraction is done first. First, multiplication. 5 times 5 equals 25. -5 plus divide 5. -5 plus 25 equals 20. Finally, division. 20 divided 5 equals 4. Answer is 4. We solved the solution in detail. I hope you understand.
We've reached the end of the video. Now it's your turn to solve the question on the screen. Share your answer in the comments below. Let's see who gets it right. More videos are on the way, so make sure to click the logo on the screen to subscribe and never miss an update. You can also check out my other videos in the boxes right here. See you in the next one.